Drake drops a new surprise album, Honestly Nevermind. And Mo told me about this when I got in. I had seen a little bit of it on Twitter. I was hunting down some of the tracks. I might have listened to 2 or 3. I watched the music video.
Yeah.
As well.
Where he marries 20 girls.
Where he married, yeah. It was
a lot of dislikes in that video.
Why do you think?
Wait, what did you say? You said a lot of dislikes? Mm-hmm. Can you bring it up for me? Because I didn't have the dislike bar enabled when I was watching it. But I did, without seeing the dislike bar, I had a weird reaction.
You did, yeah.
You were watching my reaction.
I was watching your reaction.
And you were also reacting.
I was. Oh, it's moved up on the trending.
Okay, well, 20K dislikes. I guess that's more than he would usually have for 120K likes. I guess his ratio is a little bit different. I don't know. I mean, it's a music video. And you get some flexibility there, I guess, with artistic freedom. Mm-hmm. But I can see maybe why people don't like it.
Yeah, I can see that too.
I can, you know, I'm not sure what the message is.
It's really odd.
Or maybe there doesn't even have to be one.
Right. Maybe it's just a goof.
Pure fiction.
Just a fun
Drake,
video.
he likes to troll.
It could be a troll.
Get people's emotions up.
Could be a troll.
Just to get attention.
It's called falling back.
Could be a...
But yeah, it's a wedding sequence, and there's many brides. And you know, something I noticed, which was interesting, is... And also, people are right. Maybe people are disliking the actual music as opposed to the video in this case.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But what was interesting to me, at the end, they tag every girl who was in the video, their social media.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Which kind of surprised me a little bit.
Seems bizarre.
But not typical for a music video from a really established, you know?
Yeah, like, I don't know. It just seems a little like... what's the point of this segment? Like, you paid them to be in the video.
Yeah, you were bothered. You were like, if it's a promo for their account, are they getting paid? That was all you could focus on.
I was like, okay, maybe this is how they got paid. That like
you were worried that people weren't getting paid.
Yes, I was.
There's also credits, like a movie.
And the singer, and there's a lot of different sequences and things. It's obviously a joke. It's some kind of a joke, and I agree with you, Will. There's a trolling element to it. No doubt about it. Mm-hmm. And honestly, if you watch the video, it looks like everyone's just having a party.
Yeah.
Like, especially when they start dancing. I'm sure everybody had a really good time on this set. Mm-hmm. And so I'm not really that bothered by it. But I also, it is very unclear what the hell the point of it is.
Will, did you get a chance to listen to it? The album?
No, not yet.
It's a lot of, like, I would say it's very house music inspired, in my opinion.
Is it really?
Yeah. A few of the tracks. That's why I was listening to it on my way here, and I would really like portions of a lot of different tracks.
Okay.
So, I don't know. It's an interesting listen.
All right. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out.
Yeah, many people are just perceiving this as the fact is that he's not a one-woman man. That's it. That's all. The people are taking it like literally.
Yeah.
That's the whole message of it. I mean, I guess. Maybe, you know, sometimes I think at this level, when you know you're making a music video that like 20 million people are going to see or 100 million people, it's like it has to be a little bit shocking in some way.
I completely agree.
And it's got to rub people up a little bit in order to have every video's been done. Everything's been done. So the sheer visual of like all these brides, and it's enough to kind of mess you up, rub you up a little bit. So maybe that's the entirety of the concept. You look at the initial thing and you're like, yeah, okay. Definitely people are going to notice it. But yeah, as far as the music's concerned, I haven't listened to all of it yet. But you're right. It's very club. Yeah. It's for the club.
Yeah.
And maybe that's calculated where coming out of COVID, the nice weather,
people going out. They want some beach music.
Now is the time. Supply and demand.
Right.
Because Drake's always very calculated. Supply and demand. Business.
Shout out Jesse.
Jesse says that the guy singing, the wedding singer in the video is from Wedding Crashers with Vince Vaughn. That's a nice little touch. I didn't know that.